All right, so I'm excited. I just picked up my new Klein Tools GFCI outlet tester or receptacle tester, and I'm in a house right now that we're getting ready to list, and it has a few examples of these. So I thought I'd great opportunity to walk you through what they look like, how to use it, and how to correct it. So as you can see here, these are the different codes when the light goes off. We'll use an example here. This outlet is correct. As you can see, the two orange lights on the right hand side lighting up to indicate that that's correct. However, it's not always the case. Let's go check out some of the outlets that are not. So for this one, you can see that we have an open ground, and that means that the green wire or maybe copper wire is not secured properly. So it might be loose, it might be absent of one. However, we would open this up and we would shut the power off first, open this up and test to see or look to see what is happening with our ground if there is one.
In addition to the open ground, we also see that we have the open neutral, open hot, hot and ground reversed, hot and neutral reversed, as well as the correct. We've seen the correct and we've seen the open ground. Open neutral is when your white wire is not connected properly. Maybe it's disconnected, maybe it's just loose. Open hot, as you can see there, that no light is going to turn on simply because there is no power coming to that outlet. There is nothing to give that outlet any charge, so no lights will turn on. Hot and ground reversed, we actually see that here momentarily, and then hot and neutral reversed is where somebody put either the black or red wire where the white wire was supposed to go and the white wire where the red or black wire was supposed to go.
Here we have another open ground. So this one is indicating that the hot and the ground is reversed, and this is definitely a safety hazard, which means this means that your red wire is connected to the to where the grounding is supposed to go, and vice versa. So this is definitely needed to be corrected. And to test the GFCI functionality, what you would do is put it into a GFCI outlet and then push the button here. It should trip. In that case, you pull it out, reset the outlet, and you're good to go. Just plug it back in, all is correct. All right, so that's all that we have as far as outlets that need correcting in this house. Keep in mind, I'm not a home inspector. I'm not here inspecting the home. I'm just following up, doing a little prep while this homeowner's out of town before this goes live. And thought I'd show you a quick video on how to use these things because there were a few examples of them. So reach out anytime, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and always look forward to being a resource.